Erica, Dia, or Steph?
Steph.
I'm going to have to go with Steph.
Steph!
Yes.
Why Steph?
The jump really surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. But I like it. Thank you so much.
Alright,
Yay!
good.
Congratulations,
Congratulations. Steph, come on please. Come back up. Palakpakan natin si Steph. Alam ko mahirap palakpakan dahil hindi sila. Congratulations. Let's get a picture of Steph and James, ladies and gentlemen. It's the jumping now.
Aw. Congratulations! Thank you, James. We'll have you back shortly.
Yes, I'll be right back. Yes. JC, what are you doing?
Kaya!
Oh, ang dami nyo nakuha ang picture.